Title: Grid, the framework of order and organization. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grid. A grid is a network of intersecting lines, often forming squares or rectangles, used to organize and structure information, objects, or spaces. It signifies the framework of order and organization. Pronunciation. Pronouncing grid is simple, grid, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a grid on a map helps us navigate and locate specific points with ease. Importance. Grids play a significant role in design, urban planning, and various fields, ensuring efficiency and clarity in various applications. Conclusion. In summary, grid is a word that represents the structured framework that brings order and organization to our world. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, recognize the importance of grids in simplifying and enhancing our daily lives.